Hi, I'm Stephen Webster. I'd like to welcome you to 85B, Egham Road in Lathlain. The makeover on this home is a fantastic credit to the owners. It's bright and breezy, it's got plenty of room to move, and it's in one of the better locations of Lathlain. All you have to do is choose the furniture. So come on in and enjoy the tour. Oh, welcome back. Hope you've enjoyed your tour of 85B, Egham Road in Lathlain. As you can see, it's just a matter of picking the furniture and moving it in to this well renovated, beautiful home. For more details about the property, please call my mobile. And as you know, the next viewing time is on the Burke's website.